go ahead and take your entire exhaust line down, and then we're going to show where exactly. We're going to lay out the new pipes here on the exhaust line to show exactly where we need to cut. And if you're following this video later, you're going to have a huge advantage. You won't have to drop your exhaust line like we're doing right now to show you where these cuts are going to be. You'll have the measurements. As a reminder, if you're following that later, you don't undo the back box hangers. You don't undo these hangers because you won't need to. What you're going to do, and let me talk about it a little bit, because I do this all the time in my exhaust videos where you don't need to drop the exhaust line when you have measurements. Take a hose clamp. So once we figure out these measurements, so let's just pretend for a second that it's 3 inches, and we'll know for certain in a second. So we'll measure, say, 3 inches off the weld. So here's our weld, here's our 3 inches. Take a hose clamp and put that around the pipe right at where your mark would be. Then use a pencil to mark all the way around using that hose clamp to make a nice straight line. And you do that on both sides with both measurements. When that's done, and I'm a big fan of the tool called a hacksaw. You can do it with a sawzall, but a hacksaw is shorter and smaller and easier to work. Then you just back your hose clamp off and just cut. Bang, bang, through both sides. That's super simple. Once those are cut, you can undo the top hangers, you can undo those bolts, drop that whole thing and slide this away. It'll be easier and faster than you can skip the step that we're going through right now.